How to use the image editor in TrackerRMS. To start, jump into a candidate record that you have an image in. Once you're inside this candidate record, go ahead and locate that document section where that image lives. From here, you're going to want to hover your mouse over where you find that photo option, and you'll see that down arrow up here. Go ahead and click on that down arrow and then select Edit Photo. Next, now you can reposition or edit this photo however you would like. So if you would like this to be a little bit more zoomed in, you can edit the boxes here. You can also use these rotate options to rotate all of these images. And if you've made the changes that you would like for this photo, all you would need to do is click Save. And now that photo in the top left-hand corner has been saved. Make sure you hit Save and Close or Save Only. And now you have edited your photo using the image editor in TrackerRMS.